Asun Jollof came to my rescue this beautiful afternoon as I was thinking of what to cook this afternoon, and I was just going through Instagram and I saw this particular video. This creator was making Asun Jollof rice, and I said, okay, let's go there, let's give it a try. So guys, I immediately got everything I needed, and this is me. I placed my pot on the stove. I grated some onion. I used my food processor for me to grate my onion because it's faster. So that is it. I poured my onion into my vegetable oil, which I've added previously inside my pot, and this is my homemade tomato paste, which I made. I made my tomato paste myself. I usually make it every summer, when we normally have these cheap tomatoes. So I get boxes and I make them, and I'm telling you, I just prepare those tomato paste and I freeze, and it takes me for the whole year until another summer. So guys, there I added some steamed pepper, so bell pepper, tomatoes, and scotch bonnet and onion. So that is, I steamed it for 45 minutes, and that was what I added in the video. I added some bay leaf, added curry, added some nutmeg. I also added thyme. Added some seasoning, and I stay allowed to cook for a while. So this is me adding my thyme into my pepper. So I stir, and so sometimes I just pour in just the regular water without 1 minute up. But I'm going to add some parboiled water, which I've already prepared, which is ready. So this is me pouring my water. So that water is hot. So after that, I got my rice ready. I washed my rice. So I just washed with warm water and salt, and I added it into the mixture. I stirred very well, and I covered and allowed to cook. So I was just checking on this, probably after 20 minutes, I go back and check, and I stir, I just keep checking. And this is me. I added my salt. I love adding my salt after adding rice. I don't like adding my salt to my paste before adding my rice. So I add my salt into my rice so that I get that accurate amount needed for the food. So that is it. While my rice is cooking, I was cooking my goat meat, because Assun means goat meat. So I was cooking my goat meat. I used the pressure cooker, so it was so fast. And after doing that, I had to put them in my air fryer to grill for a few minutes. Then when the goat meat was ready, I blended some pepper mix, so bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and some onion. I blended it. I didn't have tomatoes, so I grabbed another pan, added some vegetable oil into my pan, and I poured in that pepper mix. Because as you can see, my rice is almost ready. Make sure your rice is almost ready before you pour in your Assun. So this is me adding vegetable oil into my pot. I added my minced pepper, and I cooked for a while. After cooking, I added my the goat meat, the good goat meat, the one I used my air fryer for. So I added it into the pepper mix. I stirred, added some seasoning and a little bit of salt. I cooked for a few minutes, and that was it. So while I was doing this, my rice was almost ready. So guys, just mixed it with the meat, allowed the pepper mix to combine with the meat very well. Then after that, I checked on my rice, and I saw that my rice is 98% ready. So the next thing I did was I just grabbed the peppered goat meat, and I started pouring it inside my rice. Guys, this really tasted good. I'm telling you, I didn't even regret cooking. This was my best decision so far. On that day. God, I had it with chilled sobo, homemade sobo, which I made. I'm a lover of homemade stuff. So just added it, and I stirred. I made sure it mixed properly, and I served. Guys, will you be trying this? Please drop that comment in my comment section, and I will see you some other time. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye.